Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related to tech. If you've been wanting to start a business but don't want to handle inventory and shipping, then Printify is the solution for you. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Printify, from creating designs to integrating it with your online store such as Shopify or Etsy, and how to start making money with print on demand. So let's dive into it. To get started, you would need to create an account. You can simply search for Printify on your browser, and printify.com is the website that we're going to use to create that account. Once you're on this landing page, you can proceed to enter an email address or a password and click on sign up. Or for ease of use, you can click on continue with a Google account and specify the email address that you would like to use. Once you've done that, you would be provided with a series of inquiries to help personalize your account. Make sure you respond according to your brand identity to get the best out of the platform. Great. So this is going to be your main dashboard for the Printify account. As you can see on the left side of your screen, you have the navigation toolbar. Here you can access your store, check on your orders, catalogs, notifications, branding, and see some insights or adjust store settings and so much more. In addition to that, to help you facilitate the onboarding process, you have some step-by-step guides right on top. The first one would be to create a product, and next would be to connect it to your store. As I mentioned earlier, you can use Etsy, or you can also use another e-commerce platform such as Shopify. And that is it. Third step confirms that your products will be available for purchase. As Printify is a print-on-demand platform, it has a variety of products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. To select and specify the exact product that you want to create and post, you can go ahead and click on catalog, and that will provide you with different categories for these products, such as men clothing, women clothing, kids clothing, food, health and beauty, and also accessories, home and living. And for this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and select t-shirts. After you've selected your specific product, you can further navigate the catalog in full view so that you would have more options. On this preview, as you can see, you have plenty of options. And next to your navigation bar, you have drop-down arrows by which you can further specify your product. For instance, if you'd like to select specific colors, print areas, providers, and also thickness, price, sizes, all is possible by working through this drop-down list and further specifying each detail. Once you've done that, you can proceed to your design. With your selected product, you can click on Start Designing to hop onto your designing panel. On this preview, on the left side of your screen, you have your tools by which you can upload images from your library. AI-aided image creating tool is also incorporated, and also you can play around with the templates that are already within Printify. The first step that we are going to take is uploading an image that we had created earlier for this specific design. Once your image is uploaded, on the right side of your section, you have an editing tool. By using this editing tool, you can make further adjustments. To select variations of colors for your t-shirt, you can click on Select Variants, and that will allow you to add more options for your t-shirt color. For our example, we're going to work with these three specific colors and proceed to edit the image itself. If you like to adjust the size of the image, you can simply click on the image and then drag it out onto the specific size that you would like it to be. On the bottom side of your design space, you can see different sides of the t-shirt. By alternating from these options, you can preview the front side, the back side, sleeves, and neck label. To further enhance our design, now we're going to add a text. You can select from the different fonts that are within Printify to further enhance your design. Alright, once that is all sorted, if you would like to navigate further more onto the templates and the graphic elements, you can click on each one of them. Once you're happy with your design, you can click on Preview on the right top side of your screen, and that will allow you to preview the t-shirt in different mockups. You can navigate through the different options that Printify offers to better visualize the product. With the editing step finalized, you can click on Save Product on the bottom right side of your screen and click on Publish Your Product, and that will prompt you to connect your Printify account to your selling platform. If you have an Etsy account, you can click on Connect Etsy. But for this example, since we're planning on connecting it to Shopify, we're going to click on See Other Platforms and navigate through the different options. By clicking on All, you'd be able to preview the different options of e-commerce platforms that you can connect to your Printify account, such as Wix, WooCommerce, Printify Pop-up, eBay, TikTok US, and also Shopify. By selecting the specific platform and clicking on Connect, you'll be provided with a space to enter the URL for your Shopify account. With that simple step, you have successfully linked your Printify account with Shopify. If you would like to have some ease navigating to this app, you can hover over this specific app and pin it to your dashboard. Whenever you would like to check your products, you can click on My Products from the navigation bar on Printify, and that will allow you to see all the listings that you have made. And if it is unpublished yet, you can navigate to the right side of the product and click on More Actions to click on Publish. For this example, we're going to sync all the details for the product and click on Confirm to have it published on Shopify. It might take a few minutes for the product to reflect on your Shopify list. By clicking on products on the left side of your screen, you can preview all the products that you've linked from your Printify. A t-shirt from our earlier design has been already uploaded. As you can see, all the details and the mockups have been transferred onto the Shopify account, and this item is ready for purchase. To see how your products look on your website, you can click on Preview on the right top side of your screen, and that will allow you to have a website view of this product. With all the mockups and options available, your customers are going to view this product as you see it on this screen. And that's it. This is your complete guide to get started with your Printify account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.